We are quickly approaching the end of the year, so what is the best time than now to set yourself up for success in 2025? So in this video, I'm going to share 5 passive incomes that you can start before 2025, and you don't have to have a prior experience to start any of this. If you're not familiar with the idea of having a passive income, I think this is one of the best things that you can set up for yourself for your financial success, because with passive income, you don't have to trade your time for money. Basically, these are the works that you only need to do once and then you can get paid over time. So let's start with the first one, which is affiliate marketing. This is probably one of my most favorite way to make money online. If you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, it is also fall under the umbrella of digital marketing. It is a powerful way to earn passive income by promoting someone's service or products. All you need to do is to share the link of the service or the products that you believed in on platforms like Amazon Associate or even TikTok. So you'll earn commission on every purchase that people make throughout your link. So whether you're only creating content on YouTube, Instagram, blog, TikTok, you can seamlessly integrate your affiliate link to your existing audience. So if you're interested to start affiliate marketing, here are the steps that you can take. The first one, you want to pick a niche. Imagine that you want to buy a beauty product, for example. You won't go to a mechanic's shop or to the hospital or the clothing store. You'll specifically look for a place that sells beauty products. So this is why it's very important to pick a niche so you can attract more people who are already interested in the product or service that you're gonna promote. And this means a higher chance of people using your link to purchase the product or the service. So you want to choose a topic that you're personally passionate about. So this could be beauty, fitness, tech, travel. The options are limitless. Once you have your niche, you want to start looking for the products or the service in that particular niche. For example, if I choose travel as the niche, I can start looking for affiliate programs for travel tour or travel health insurance. I can go to their website, check if they have an affiliate program, and after that I can sign up for it. But to give you more example, you don't always have to pick just having a service-based product or like a physical product. So here I can also search for products that make travel a lot easier. For example, I can promote a certain suitcase that I've personally used and I love, or a vacuum bag that will help you save up a lot of space in your suitcase. And then you just have to go to platforms like Amazon Associate or TikTok shops or even the company's website. And always remember to put your unique link. So every time someone purchases using your unique link, you'll get a small commission. Obviously here now you need to create a content where people can come with questions. And for example, you can write a blog post or a YouTube videos or post a carousel or even Instagram stories. When you start posting any of this content, you want to make sure you incorporate your affiliate link. So anytime someone purchases with your unique link, you will get a commission. Now, one of the best platforms to do affiliate marketing is Pinterest, because Pinterest is not necessarily like any other social media. It is more of a search engine, so a lot of people actually go to Pinterest to find more information. So if you pick fashion or travel as your niche, then Pinterest would be your best friend. The second passive income is selling a digital product. So you might be wondering, what is digital product? It is basically like physical product, but you don't have to deal with the inventory, the packing, or like shipping the products, because everything can be done online. So here we're talking about templates, ebooks, guide, or even stock photos or videos. So you might be familiar with Etsy. It is like one of the biggest websites where people can purchase a digital product, and you can go in there to list and sell your own digital product. The best part with digital product is you only need to create it once and you can sell it continuously. So this creates a really good ROI. If you want to start selling your digital product, here are the steps that you can take. First one, you want to identify what are your products. So you can create something based on your skills. I know a lot of people who are very good at budgeting. They create a monthly budget tracker, or you can also make templates, ebooks, guides, or if you're good at photography, you can also list the photo that you take by yourself. Definitely want to research about what are the type of digital product that people are interested in. So with this, you can go to Etsy, for example, and search for digital product. And here you can see a lot of people are selling templates or digital planners. So you know those are the products that people are interested in buying. And to create any of these templates or planner, you can easily use Canva, but you don't want to post any of the design that's originally from Canva. You definitely want to sell something that you create yourself, because from what I know, Etsy is very strict about things like that. Now, you definitely want to set up the sales platform. So if you're thinking about selling on Etsy, then you can just like go to Etsy, or the other website that I saw a lot of people are using is Shopify. But you want to make sure that you optimize the product description and use a high quality image. If you already have a big audience or followers, your social media might be the best platform to launch your digital product. Now, there are several ways on how you can market your product. You can use email marketing, Instagram, or Pinterest to drive traffic. And yeah, selling digital product is perfect because you only need to put the initial work, and then after that you can continuously selling the same product over and over again. The third option is print on demand. Now, when we're looking for a passive income or an online business ideas, print on demand is something that's very popular that a lot of people are trying, and it's for a reason. So if you're interested about selling items like t-shirt, mugs, phone case, basically anything that you can customize, print on demand will be the best option. Here you can use platforms like Printful or Redbubble, and you can create and sell a custom design. But don't worry, because you also don't have to deal with the inventory. So I think this is one of the best side hustle because you can start without any upfront investment. Now, before we get further about how to start a print on demand business, if you're serious about turning your passive income into a fully fledged business, you need to set it up properly. This is where today's sponsor, Awesome, comes in. So I'm personally very excited about this because as someone who works remotely or trying to start my online business, sometimes the tax side can be very overwhelming. So company like Awesome comes very handy during this time. They handle everything from incorporation to bookkeeping and taxes, so you can focus on growing your business. And the reason why I love their service is because you can incorporate your company remotely without needing to be physically present. So this is perfect for people who are constantly on the move. If you're interested about setting your company in Hong Kong or Singapore, for example, they can also help you with that. This is perfect because you don't have to be stressed about handling your financial management. And if you're interested about building your passive income, I think it's also very important to educate yourself about how to run it smoothly. So if you're interested about Awesome, you can check the link in the description box below, and you'll get a 16% off with the link, and you can take the next step with your business journey. So yeah, if you want to set up your company either in Hong Kong or Singapore, you can get all the paperwork handled online, and they also have the accounting and bookkeeping services as well as corporate secretarial service. This means they handled everything from annual fillings to compliances updates. Now let's get to the actionable steps you can do to get started with your print on demand business. Just like selling your digital product, the first step that you want to take is to choose your niche and the product type. So here, most of the common ones are t-shirt, hoodies, mugs, and you can look for the trending design using platforms like Pinterest or Etsy. So for example, here you can go to Etsy and check custom mugs. And the cool thing is you can customize not only the words but also the design itself. Just like digital product, you can also use free tools like Canva, or if you know how to use Adobe Illustrator, you can create a higher quality design. So I think the key here is to create a unique design that will appeal to the target audience. I know the holidays are usually the best time to sell any of this print-on-demand business because a lot of people want to make a custom gift for their beloved ones. So you can get started now, and you'll have more than a month before the holiday started. After you create your design, you want to set up a print-on-demand platform. So this will be Printful, Redbubble, or Teespring. You can test out some of these platforms, and I would say don't just sell on one platform. So you can list your items in several different platforms, and then after that you can connect it to an e-commerce platform like Etsy or Shopify. So here, for example, if you go to this page on Etsy, you can see that it's designed by Giftable, which is like also one of the platform when you can create your custom design. After that, you just need to list your items on the platform, and here you want to make sure that you add a good product description, tags and keywords. And you definitely want to do more research about this because this is more on the SEO side. This will help tremendously with how easy it is for your potential customer to find your products. Let's move to the next passive income, and it's to create a membership site. So this typically would work for someone who have a specialized skills or knowledge. For example, I've seen a lot of people start with teaching other people how to do UGC or user generated content, or there are also some other membership site when they teach you on how to be a digital nomad. This also works the best if you already have an audience that you can monetize. So if you have a good amount of followings on your social media and people are always asking for the same advice or same thing, then this would be a good sign to create a membership site. So to get started with this, first thing that you want to figure out is what type of membership that you want to set up. So here you want to choose your niche and your content. You need to decide on the type of exclusive content that you want to offer. So for example, you can do tutorials, behind the scene videos, or some community. And you need to do a research of what people in your niche are willing to pay. Next, once you determine the product, then you want to select a platform. So you can use platforms like Patreon, Teachable, or Payhip. These platforms handle the payment, the access control, and also the community management. So I'm not sure about Patreon and Teachable, but with Payhip, for example, you don't have to pay a monthly subscription if you're using their service. Basically, what they do is like every time someone purchases the coaching call or the membership, then they just deduct certain amount of money from what your clients are paying. You can stop by just creating one membership site, or you can make it more interesting by offering a different levels of access. For example, you can create a basic package, premium, and VIP, and make sure its level is compelling with unique perks. Like what I mentioned before, if you already have an existing audience, then this would be perfect for you, because to launch it, you just want to engage with your followers and make sure that you consistently provide values. What I usually see with a membership site is most people who are willing to join or pay for the service are people who are already invested in your content. So you want to make sure that you build an authentic community. Sometimes the amount of followers doesn't always matter. It's how much trust have you built between you and your subscribers or your followers. And let's move to the last one, which is monetizing content creation. This is definitely one of my favorite passive income streams. Well, for me, I wouldn't say this is a passive income because I put a lot of work into it, especially if you're creating a long form content like YouTube. But this is definitely one of the best way to earn money. So for example, let's talk about the long form content, which is YouTube. With YouTube itself, you can generate passive income from ad revenue, sponsorship, or affiliate partnership, which already give you several different income streams itself. And the content that you created can generate a long-term income after you post it. Obviously, with YouTube, it will take longer to build, because with YouTube ad revenue itself, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 40 hours watch hour in the span of 1 year. So yeah, I've seen some people who build it very fast, but sometimes it can also take years. But I can assure you that it's totally worth it, because even if you're not eligible for YouTube partnership, you can always learn something by putting yourself on the internet and yeah, learn about editing itself. It gives you the opportunity to learn something new, and who knows, you can always get a sponsorship or a collaboration even if you have less than 1,000 subscribers. So with content creation, here are the steps that you can take. The first one is you definitely want to pick a platform. So whether you want to focus on YouTube or short forms like Instagram or TikTok, you need to pick one that you enjoy the most, because the key here is to be consistent with creating content. Next, you want to create an evergreen content, and if you don't know what it is, it's basically the topic that has a long-term relevance. So mostly things that has something like how-to or a guides, tutorial, or a product reviews. Monetize your content, like what I said before with YouTube, you need to aim to reach the threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. And for Instagram and TikTok, the best way to monetize it is to do brand collaboration, where you can partner up with brands and you can create content for them. If you don't have a lot of followers, you can always start by taking a brand deals for free. So usually brands will offer you a free product for you to create like 1 or 2 short forms video for them. But another way to monetize it is also by using affiliate marketing. So here we cycle around. You can always put your affiliate link on the content that you post on Instagram or TikTok. Now, if I have to give you one of the most important things to success in content creation, is definitely to be consistent in posting. You can't just expect posting 1 or 2 videos and just go viral. I mean, like, that happens sometimes, but it's unlikely to happen. You still need to put the initial works, build trust, and yeah, it's always great to have a community that knows your work and will support you. So there you have it, the 5 passive incomes ideas that you can start before 2025. You definitely don't have to wait until January 1st to start any of these business ideas. You want to set yourself up for success. Even the 1 or 2 months before we reach 2025 can be a significant time for you to build your passive income. So if any of this idea inspires you, you definitely want to start taking action today. And don't forget to check out Awesome if you want to set up your business. You can click the link down below for 16% off. And thank you so much for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!